Hey, can I has a coffee?
Actually, you should say, "Can I have a coffee?" Because has is used with he, she, or it, not I.
Oh, okay. Can I have a coffee then?
Good job. Also, when asking for something politely, could I have is often preferred over can I have.
Could I have a coffee? Please?
Great. By the way, using please at the end could make your request seem even more polite.
Thanks. I want two sugars in my coffee.
In this case, you would use two sugars because sugar is uncountable. And when referring to packets or units, you would add the s. Sugar is.
Got it. Two sugars, please.
Well done. Let me go make it.
I wanted to say thank you.
Well done. Using the past tense. That's correct.
This coffee is gooder than I expected.
Actually, better is a comparative form of good. So you'd say this coffee is better than I expected.
Better than I expected. Thanks for teaching me.
You're welcome. Language is full of little rules that can help us communicate clearly.
I learning a lot today.
Almost. You'd say, I am learning a lot today. Or I've learned a lot today.
I'm learning a lot today. This is fun.
Glad to hear it. Clear grammar helps avoid misunderstandings and makes conversation smoother.
I see now why grammar is important.
Exactly. It shapes how we share ideas and connect with others every day.